Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change volume level on your Sony WH-1000XM4 without phone. Let's get started. So, we would need to pay attention to the right headphone, in my case it's on the left, and on this big circle which is a sensor. And if we want to increase volume, we would need to do a gesture which looks like this. You'll need to swipe from the bottom of the circle to the top, and this will increase the volume. Now, if we want to decrease the volume, we would need to do the same gesture but backwards, from the top to the bottom of this circle, like this. Now, I will weld the headphones so I can show you how it works, because unfortunately, this sensors doesn't work without a headphones detecting a person. So, now I will try to increase the volume with the gesture that I showed you before. As you can see, it's working, and now let's try the same but decrease the volume. And this is how it works. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.